Discover the most bizarre foods to try in the USA before you kick the bucket in 2024. From deep-fried Oreos to alligator bites, this video explores the wildest culinary experiences across the country. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with these unique and unforgettable dishes. Don't miss out on this foodie adventure of a lifetime. Stay tuned and start planning your ultimate food bucket list now. Are you a foodie looking to push your taste buds to the limit? Look no further than the United States, home to some of the most bizarre foods you have to try before you die. From coast to coast, America offers a smorgasbord of unique culinary experiences. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's go see. In the Pacific Northwest, try Geoduck, a giant clam with a phallic appearance but a sweet and crunchy taste. Gutkas are an unusual type of oyster. They have a delicious taste. You can feel the ocean with every bite. Geoduck can be eaten raw or cooked in a variety of ways. Boiling with butter is a popular cooking method. The meat inside tastes like oysters, but also has some shrimp quality. It is often served with the best seafood dishes, such as cioppino, a tomato-based dish, which pairs well as both ingredients share many flavors, including the saltiness of their natural brine. Head down to Louisiana for some alligator meat, a delicacy that tastes like a cross between chicken and fish. The state of Louisiana at a glance. The state of Louisiana, one of the southeastern states of the United States, is mainly known for the history and culture of its largest city, New Orleans. The capital of Louisiana is the city of Baton Rouge, although the name of its larger neighbor, New Orleans, has been around since the state was formed. Before the arrival of Europeans in the 16th century, Louisiana was inhabited by native people. Alligator meat has a very mild flavor and is a versatile substitute in recipes that call for veal, chicken, and most seafood. Choice cuts of meat, primarily tail and jowl, can easily be used in any recipe. Body and leg meat can be just as delicious with a little extra preparation and special recipes. Alligator is also low in fat. If you're feeling adventurous, make your way to the Midwest for some Rocky Mountain oysters, which are actually deep-fried bull testicles. The Rocky Mountains were formed 55 to 80 million years ago during the Laramide orogeny, in which subplates began to move across the North American plate at a shallow subduction angle, forming the mountain range, resulting in a belt. It was from the northwest side of America. Rocky Mountain oysters or mountain oysters, or meatballs, also known as prairie oysters in Canada, French, animals, is a dish made of bull testicles. The organs are often deep-fried after being skinned, coated in flour, pepper and salt, and sometimes pounded flat. The dish is most often served as an appetizer, too. For a taste of the South, sample some chitlins, or pig intestines, a soul food favorite. The colon of domestic animals. They are usually made from pig intestines. They may also be stuffed with meat to make sausage. The intestines of other animals such as cows, lambs, geese and goats are also used to make scissors. Chitlins are a dish typically found in the American South, but they are prepared all over North America. They take a long time to clean and cook and are so labor-intensive that the presence of chitlins are typically reserved for special occasions and the holiday season. And don't forget to visit the East Coast for a classic dish of Scrapple, a breakfast meat made from pork scraps and cornmeal. Whether you're a daring food enthusiast or just looking to expand your palate, these bizarre foods are a must-try for any culinary explorer. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more food adventures from around the world.